There are many legends about the Kazakh musical instruments. One of them tells about the appearance of the flute that can make truly magic sounds. This story happened in the ancient times, when the country was ruled by the great king Eskender Zulkarnain. The legend says that the king had 2 horns on his head, and he was hiding his secret in his thick hair so nobody could see them. When the hair was getting too long, the king ordered to find a barber who would cut his hair, but would also keep his secret. Right after the hair was finished, the barber would get executed. One day a young boy was brought to the king as the barber. The young boy knew he would have to die, and then right after the haircut he started to beg and said that he was too young to die and that the king would be killing a child with his own hands. But if he could release him, he would keep his secret forever. The king took pity upon him and put the young boy to a deep dungeon where no one could find him. One day the young boy was watching the cane and heard it making beautiful sounds in the wind. He took the cane in his hands and made a flute. The sounds were heard from far away and he was saved. This is the story of the Sibizgum.
Hi everybody, my name is Johnny Gaz. I'm from India, Mumbai. I'm a musician and I've come in search of inspiration and the sounds of, to be inspired by the sounds of Kazakh folk music and instruments. And yes. Hello. Hi Serik.
How are you? Did you sleep well? Yeah, ready for new adventures today? Okay, good. Where are you? I will be there soon. All right? Hi everyone, my name is Serik Nurmoldayev. I'm a member of the folk and ethnographic ensemble Duran, and from today I will be helping Johnny to find his inspiration. Are you ready? How are you?
Having fun.
I won't say where we're going to, because we're going to one amazing place. It is a surprise for Johnny, so it has to be a surprise for you too.
He's got a surprise for me.
Johnny is so excited. We have been trying for so many hours and he has no idea where. He even can't stay calm in his seat. He keeps asking, where do we go? Where do we go?
Yeah, it's always what do you call it? It's intriguing actually.
Before I show you the whole beauty and continue our journey, I think we need to grab a bite first. Let's go. How do you like the area?
Nice place.
Did you see the steps?
Yes. Beautiful, beautiful place, beautiful country.
What I will show you today, there is no other place like this.
Well, I've never been to the canyon. In America also. So this is going to be a surprise.
Did I promise you a surprise? Well, you will get a surprise then, Johnny.
Fantastic. I'm very looking forward to that.
You mentioned inspiration and that you want to get inspired by music. I think that combination of music and nature will sound even better. That's why today's excursion is short and is aimed at it. I suggest that you try Manti.
What? Okay, let's try. Let's try it.
And for drink,
Tea.
I guess Indian tea.
Have some tea.
Now, Johnny, besides the manti, I ordered some supa. Here you see the broth and meat as always.
Oh, that's nice. Meat is always good.
Try it.
Let's try. Yeah.
Here come our manti.
Call them manti.
Yes,
Yeah,
the meat is in the dough.
fantastic. Let me check the soup out. The soup is very nice.
Well, Johnny, feeling better?
Very good, thank you very much.
Did you enjoy
It
it?
was fantastic. I enjoyed myself.
Это как раз вот чисто настоящее.
This was the real food prepared in villages. Everything is natural. Well, let's go?
Amazing. Man, welcome to the Wild West.
Remember cowboy movies?
That's right, that's right. The Wild, Wild West.
Here they are, Johnny, the spectacular places.
That looks like an owl up there.
Yeah. Here you can see lots of caves, and those caves and the wind make very interesting sounds.
The caves give their own sounds also, no doubt.
Yes, we will try to hear them now.
Let's hang around here. Let's take a look at this.
Do you want to stop here?
Yeah.
Okay, we will stop right next to the ship. By the way, it looks a lot like a ship.
It's like a ship or a shipwrecked.
Yes,
Okay.
that's it, we're here.
Yeah. You know, Serik, what I want to do here, I want to get the guitar.
Wow, you got inspired.
That's right. I want to get the guitar and try and play something here. Maybe we can do it together or something. Whatever. Let's go.
Here it is.
Here we go.
I brought my musical instrument too, by the way.
Very good. That's how it is. Let's sing to this beautiful Mother Nature that has been here for millions of years and till this time. We've been through some things together, tons of memories still to come. We found things to do in stormy weather, a long way you run, long way you run, long way you run. Although these changes have come, with the karma shining out in the sun, long way you run, long way you run, long may you run. Although these changes have come, with the karma shining out in the sun, long may you run. The magic of music is very, like we say, it's in the wind. It's in the wind. It's in these caves here. It's in these rocks, you know, and they make a sound. And it's the wind, like your wind instrument. What is this called? This called the
This musical instrument is the sibizgin.
Sibizgi.
And I like it so much that you immediately felt the spirit of this place.
Yes, because we are all connected, Serik. We are connected in a very mystical way.
Let me show you more. There are more beautiful places.
Come, let's see. Let's take a look.
Kazakhstani music. What kind?
Kazakhstan and Western music.
Okay, combined, sort of combo.
That's right.
Oh, great.
Serik is a local musician.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Is that like a name?
Yeah. This is flute, Kazakh flute.
Kazakh.
It's called what?
Sibizga.
Sibizgi.
Don't try that. Sibizgi.
Yeah.
Okay. Good luck. Thank you. Bye.
I have known you for only 2 days, and while listening to your music, I get a different view on the places I thought I knew well before. So I think inspiration goes both ways. To you and to me. In fact, I would never have thought that the Sibizga, for example, could sound completely different. The Western sound, as you said.
Exactly, exactly.
Johnny, this is my friend, musician. He comes here for rehearsal.
Oh, I see.
You see, you get a very good sound here.
And where is his instrument?
Where is your instrument?
He's a singer also. He's a singer.
You should better
Okay,
hear it.
let's listen to him.
Let's go. And where do you rehearse? Look, here is a dome. You need to stand right here. Hold on, you need to stand here.
Oh, what's it? Oh, this is him. How does he do that?
This is his instrument.
Yeah. Oh, that's his instrument.
We use this instrument very well in
Oh,
Kazakhstan.
results here. That's the reason why.
Can you do it?
I don't know. I need to try.
Let's see.
Well, what key is that? What key is that? I wonder what key it is.
And
It's
here...
not necessary, yeah?
Yes, which one can you take? Try it.
Like, you know, oh. And then when in the morning it's oh.
Түсінді жүр, қай жақта қалады?
Осылай істейікші?
Okay, clear my throat, yeah. That's right.
Johnny, it's not here. You have to get it from here.
It's in the lungs, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
Good, good.
It's working, yeah? Come here.
Good, yes.
It's working, what? Thank you. Like in Kazakh, there's a Rahmet, yeah?
Yes, in Kazakh it is Rahmet.
But we could try something together with this.
We can experiment with the guttural singing.
Yeah, let's try something.
Guttural. Do it more, Johnny. Guttural. Yes.
Thank you.
It was cool.
This is magic.
Inspiration is what pushed our heroes on a journey. The sounds of the Sibizga, the guitar and guttural singing spread throughout the canyon and moved down to the river.
I can hear above the clouds the bump of the chorus. And I can hear the listen to the pouring rain, to the rain. Listen to the pouring rain, to the rain. Oh, to the rain. Bravo. To both you guys, man. This is fun. This is what I like. Let's go take a swim now.
Do you want to swim?
Yeah.
Give me your guitar. Go to swim. Johnny,
Yeah.
this is the Kazakh yurt. It is a nomadic house of the Kazakhs. It's built from wood, cloth and wool.
No, looking at it, yeah, first time looking at it. But I've read of this. I've read of this on the internet.
It can be easily put together as well as taken apart. I mean, it's very easy. This is exactly what a nomad needs.
That's right.
So, you see?
People, nomads, yeah.
Yes, nomads.
But they did have these wooden. I think it was straight on the grass, on the ground.
Yes, yes. This has been modernized.
These are modern additions.
Yes, yes. Johnny, you will have to bend down to enter this house.
Yes,
Домик для
yeah, it's a
нас.
it's a little entrance.
Here it is, the Kazakh yurt.
Здесь
Everything here is made according to Kazakh traditions. Here is a sandak. Here is a cradle.
What's it called? What's it?
Sandak.
Sanduk.
The most valuable things are stored here.
Okay, that's like the safe.
Yes, it's like a Kazakh safe box. This is bisek, a cradle.
Oh, for a child, yeah,
For a
a
child.
baby,
For a
baby.
child. This is a chapan.
That's right.
чапан,
It's different from what he's wearing.
Yes, yes, you've already seen it before. And this is a piece of woman's clothes, waistcoat. And this is wolf skin. You can touch it.
It's a real wolf.
This is a real wolf. The wolf.
The real Kazakh wolf from the steppes.
Yes, a real wolf. By the way, it lives around here.
In these areas?
Да.
See?
Yes, yes. The guests sit here at the place of honor, Tor.
Sure.
Tor is the most honored place for guests. You should sit down here.
Thank you.
This is how we express hospitality. And by the way, now you are trying the horse milk.
Oh,
Hummus?
that's horse's milk, man.
Yes, I think you'll like it. You will try it in a moment.
I'm gonna try that. I'm not very used to sitting on the floor.
In Kazakh culture, we sit like this. Moldavskuru.
Was it?
Here, look. Your legs are crossed.
Too fat, I think.
It's much more comfortable. Sit down. So how is it?
Yeah, it's much better. Oh, I gotta get used to this.
Comfortable.
I have to get used to it. This is the lotus.
Just press a little harder.
And yoga.
Во.
I think this is better. Oh, this is much better.
Давайте я
Let
вам
me play
наиграю
something
что-нибудь, а
for
вы
you, and you will
подпевайте.
sing.
I've heard this tune. Let's take it on the guitar. Let's try and do it on the guitar. This is the union between Kazakh and Western influences, my brothers. This is beautiful.
Come is here, Johnny.
Halkımız geldi.
This is the hospital, yes. Oh, thank you very much. In Kazakh, I would say Rakhmet. Wow! Oh, yeah?
No, this is the elixir of life. You have to try it.
I'm already feeling 25 years younger. My Jesus Christ.
Some more?
Well, let's have another one. Let's have another go. It's going to make me young. And it's...
Anyway, your soul is young. And your soul is singing.
And I will get even younger after this. Newborn. Yes to you.
To your young soul and your music.
Oh, Mamma Mia.
Hello, my dear friends. It was a fantastic day. The Cherin Canyon and the magic sounds of musical instruments brought a new music idea to me. Tomorrow, my friend Serik and I will set off for a new journey.
It's just a song before I go, to whom it may concern. Traveling twice the speed of sound, it's easy to get burned. When the show was all over, we had to get back home. When she opened up the door, I had to be alone. She helps me with my suitcase. She stands before my eyes, driving me to the airport and to the friendly skies. Going through security, I held her for so long. She finally looked at me in love, and she was gone. Just a song before I go, a lesson to be learned. Traveling twice the speed of sound, it's easy to get burned.